Have you ever dreamt of starting a podcast that can change lives, but something's holding you back? Stay tuned as I unveil the biggest secret to podcasting success that nobody talks about. This secret transformed me from an unknown to the comeback coach, and it's not what you think. By the end of this video, you'll have the key to start your journey. But first, let me tell you a quick story. First, understanding that podcasting is more than just talking. It's all about storytelling. Your story can heal, motivate, and inspire. The biggest mistake, ignoring your unique perspective. Your voice, your experiences, they matter. This is the heart of your podcast. Finally, consistency is key. But it's not just about frequency. It's about consistent value, impact, and transformation. Now, the biggest secret? Authenticity. Being real, raw, and genuine. This is what will make your podcast beloved, popular, and powerful. Not fancy equipment, not perfect editing, but you being unapologetically you. And remember, every great comeback started with a setback. Your voice can be the one that sparks a comeback in someone else's life. So don't wait for perfect. Start today. I'm Richard Kaufman, the comeback coach, and I believe in your voice. If you're ready to make a difference, hit that subscribe button, share this with someone who needs it, and let's start a movement together. Stay tuned for more secrets to success in podcasting.